A liquidator is a person appointed to manage the winding up of a company. His main role is to collect assets, pay debts, and distribute the remaining money among shareholders. White-right pointing backhand index simple meaning, liquidator is like a manager of closure of a company. Two powers of a liquidator. The liquidator is given certain legal powers to properly wind up the company. A. General powers. To take control of company's property and assets. To carry on business if necessary for beneficial winding up. To sell company assets, movable and immovable. To raise money on security of company assets. To settle claims of creditors. B. Legal powers. To file or defend suits in the name of the company. To examine directors, officers, and others regarding company affairs. To call meetings of creditors and contributors. C. Administrative powers. To appoint agents, lawyers, or professionals. To maintain proper books and records. To distribute surplus among members. White-right pointing backhand index in short, liquidator has wide powers to close the company smoothly and fairly. 3. Duties of a liquidator. Powers come with responsibilities. The liquidator must act honestly and carefully. A. Duty to act in good faith. Must act honestly and in the best interest of creditors and members. B. Duty to take custody of assets. Must collect and protect company assets. C. Duty to maintain proper accounts. Must keep accurate records of all transactions. D. Duty to pay debts in order. Follow legal priority. Secured creditors. Government dues. Unsecured creditors. Shareholders. E. Duty to report. Must submit reports to tribunal and registrar. F. Duty to distribute surplus. After paying debts, remaining money must be distributed fairly. White-right pointing backhand index simple idea, liquidator must be honest, careful, and transparent. 4. Liabilities of a liquidator. If a liquidator fails in his duties, he can be held responsible. A. Personal liability. If he acts negligently or dishonestly, he may have to compensate for losses. B. Misfeasance liability. If he misuses company property or funds, tribunal can order recovery. C. Criminal liability. Fraud, misrepresentation, or wrongful acts can lead to punishment. D. Removal. Tribunal can remove the liquidator for misconduct or inefficiency. White-right pointing backhand index meaning, liquidator must be very careful, otherwise he can be punished. 5. Case study, simple explanation. Case, IL&FS crisis. IL&FS faced serious financial problems and was unable to pay its debts. Authorities appointed professionals to manage the resolution and asset handling. During the process, assets were identified and managed. Creditors' claims were settled in order. Investigations were conducted for mismanagement. White-right pointing backhand index lesson, liquidators or similar professionals play a very important role in protecting creditors and ensuring fair distribution of assets. 6. Conclusion. The liquidator is the most important person in the winding up process. He has wide powers but also strict duties and liabilities. The law ensures that he works honestly and efficiently so that the interests of creditors and shareholders are protected.